Itinuturing na isa sa most promising young stars sa Hollywood si Logan Lerman. Sa kasagsagan nito, kumalat sa social media posts at tweets na may project daw siya kasama ang sikat na Pinay na artista na si Catherine Bernardo. Pero ayon sa aktor, hindi daw niya masigurado kung totoo ito o hindi dahil sa dami ng kanyang ginagawang promo para sa Percy Jackson Sea of Monsters.
I don't think I am. I might have been. I don't know. I might have, though. But these press tours are a whirlwind because there's so much, 2 months of just, photo shoots and interviews and all these things. So I might have done. I don't remember.
You don't remember. Nakakuha ng maraming papuri si Logan sa pelikulang Perks of Being a Wallflower, kapareha si Harry Potter star Emma Watson.
These are fun movies to make.
Sa Percy Jackson Sea of Monsters, panibagong pagsubok na naman ang hinaharap ng bida at ng kanyang mga kaibigan.
What the movie's about at its core is just about the importance of family and friends. That side of Percy, I've been there many, many times.
Kakaiba si Logan sa ibang mga dating Hollywood child stars na napariwara ang karir ng tumanda. Si Logan mas lalong gumagaling habang nagkakaedad.
My intentions were always just to try to make films that I wanted to see, and I'm still just trying to do that. Never satisfied, always trying to do better.
You twist the cap off this.
Mapapanood ang Percy Jackson Sea of Monsters simula August 7. Mula sa Hollywood, California, Yong Chavez para sa Umagang Balita.